Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Whenever I ask people what is CI, or continuous integration, and I never get tired of asking that, I get different answers like Jenkins or TFS or some other tool. And that's a teachable moment. Because CI, continuous integration, is not a tool, it's a process. Continuous integration is the process of integrating code into the main branch by everyone, continuously. Every bit of code gets merged and integrated into the main branch. And the main branch is always potentially releasable. That means a couple of things. The first one is that there are no side branches. Or to be more precise, no long-living side branches. You can't work on your side branch for weeks or days without integrating it into the main branch. Because if you do, that would be a very painful merge. Plus, if the build breaks on the main branch, you block everyone else on the team from pushing their code in and integrating it. What it also means is that you have a lot of automated tests on the main branch to warrant a release. And that means that you need to define what is releasable. Now, what does it mean to work in this kind of process? That means very small merges. Very small bits of code integrated into the main branch. When I work like that, it means almost always automatic merges because I don't get conflicts with other people. And even if I do, these are very small merges and the effort involved in this is very small. That means with every merge, I push in code and tests, and the tests prove that the code works. So I merge in working code. Working like that also creates a kind of competition, because if you and I are working on the same code, we both have the incentives to push the code first, because the other guy will have to do the merge. So again, we'd like to do this in very small bits of code and merge them in before you get there. And when everyone on the team works like that, we always have a potentially releasable branch we can take code from and release it. We have the safety net of the tests. We all been pushing working code in, and there are no big pieces of code sitting on the side branches waiting to be merged by people who are just scared of doing that. Apart from that, we don't lose time on doing the mergers, and that's a win-win. Tools like TFS or Jenkins allow us to do this, and they're really good at what they're doing, but if you think about it, the only thing that we do need in order to do continuous integration, the process, is just have a source control in place. All the other things that we get, just a bonus on top of that. Oh, and there's one more thing that you do need. Discipline. A lot of discipline. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, tell your friends, surprise your enemies. If you have some comments, leave them down below. And for now, thank you for watching and goodbye.